I'm Dr. Yum, and we're here in the Dr. Yum Project kitchen with my friend Joy Crump, professional chef at Foodie and Mercantile. And I've got a buddy here too, one of our preschoolers from our preschool program, and we're going to talk about mangoes. Mangoes are kind of intimidating, but they're such a good, yummy fruit. And so I thought maybe Joy could demystify the mango.
It is a little mysterious. It's got, it's not exactly the most beautiful looking thing, but it's got quite a prize inside. It's really just sweet and kind of perfumey and fragrant. Mm-hmm. So if you can get your kids to, take a baby step towards it, maybe like smell it, they might fall in love with how fruity and tropical it smells, and then that might lead them to actually tasting it. It's got like a little bit of a leathery skin on the outside, mm-hmm. So you want to peel it, and because the flesh is so precious, I like to use a peeler to peel it instead of a knife. That way I'm not wasting any fruit and leaving that on the cutting board. And then the next question becomes, where's the seed?
Yeah. If you have a kiddo who's comfortable with peeling, they can help you with that.
Peel that?
Yeah, but that seed.
You say that. I would have let you do that.
Yeah, next time we'll let you peel.
Total peel hog.
But that seed is like flat, isn't it, Joy?
It is.
And
it's flat, and it's
hard to know like which way is it oriented.
I just hunt for it, really. I just try and get that's a great slice. That didn't hit my seed. I'm starting to feel my seed a little bit, so mm-hmm. I can feel it, and it's like. The fruit is fused to it, so I turn it once I feel it, and I go to another spot, and I hope to get a couple more slices without any seed. I did that. I'm going to do it again.
Yeah.
And again. That's nice and pretty and bright inside, too.
We have a great mango salsa recipe that our preschoolers use in our preschool curriculum, which is also on the website. And it's kind of a fun take on salsa, using mango as the star of the show.
There you go.
So being able to know how to cut it is a great thing, so you can cut it really pretty.
Yeah, so now that you've got that, now you've got your cuts. Again, you're just like any other vegetable, nice and flat. You can cut it into strips. You can turn those strips around and cut those into dice.
Yeah.
And we can use that for salsa. You can sprinkle it on top of yogurt. You can drop this whole thing into the blender and make a smoothie.
Absolutely.
There's just a million uses for it. I'm going to pass this over for you a little bit so you can get him a piece that he can taste.
So we're going to put a few little tasting bites on here for our adorable helper here. And you see how with tasting bites we do them really small. Sometimes if we offer tasting bites that are too big, it can be intimidating. Yeah. So whenever we offer tasting bites, we do it really tiny like this. They can put it in the back of their mouth and chew on it and see if it's something they like. Some kids may not actually be ready for tasting, so just offering them a chance to interact with the food, either by smelling it or just looking at it, talking about it, is good too. So if you want to smell or taste, you certainly can. There's a great recipe on Dr. Yum for a yogurt strawberry cake with mango, and that is
touchdown.
Sweet. Yeah. Awesome. Which is a fun cake that incorporates mango too. So just getting kids in the kitchen makes them a little bit more willing to try. So that's mangoes.
That's
not
good.
Too hard, is it?
Not at all.
All right. Remember to get your family back in the kitchen together so they can stay healthy and strong.